Namaste to all. Previous class we learnt about heat and temperature. Do you know what is meant by the heat? Our body is warmness or coldness. We feel the heat. What is meant by the temperature? What is meant by the temperature? The measurement of the warmness or coldness, the substance is called the temperature. How to measure the temperature? The units of temperature, Kelvin scale and degree of the Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. These are the units of the temperatures. Then types of temperature. What are the types of temperatures? Thermometer is mostly common used the measurement of temperature. Then types of thermometers. There are two types of thermometers. What are the two types of thermometers? Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Already in previous class we learned thermometer is two types, laboratory thermometers and clinical thermometers. Then now we can see the difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. What are the differences both are? Clinical thermometer is scaled from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, or from 94 Fahrenheit means 94 Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. Then laboratory thermometer is generally scaled from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Another point, mercury level does not fall on their own. So there is a king near the bulb to prevent the fall of mercury level. Then mercury level falls on its own as no kink is present in laboratory thermometer. Then third point, thermometer can be read after removing the thermometer from orbit or mouth. Orbit or mouth, where you kept the thermometer, we measure the body temperature. How to measure the body temperature? We using the thermometer. How to measure the thermometer? We keep in the arms or mouth. Under the mouth. Then thermometer can be read after removing the thermometer from hand or mouth. In laboratory thermometer, temperature is read while keeping the thermometer in the source of temperature. For example, a liquid or any other thing. Then the lower of the mercury level jokes are given. Laboratory thermometer, no need to give jerk to level of the mercury level. Then last point, it is used for taking the body temperature. Clinical temperature it is used for taking the body temperatures. Then laboratory thermometer, it is used to take temperature in laboratories. Then scales of thermometer. We learn difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Then scale of thermometer. We are used the three types of scale of thermometer. First one Celsius scale, another one Fahrenheit scale, another one is Kelvin scale. First we can see the Celsius scale. Celsius is the common unit of measuring the temperature. We are commonly used to measure the temperature is Celsius scale. Termed after the Swedish astronomer Andreas Celsius in 1942. Before that it was known as the centigrade of thermometers using the scale of celebrated therefrom. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. In Greek, the center means 100, grade means steps. Both words make it the centigrade. So later we called as a Celsius. So scale of thermometer, first one Celsius scale, second one Fahrenheit scale, the third one Kelvin scale. Then Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit is a common unit to measure the human body temperatures. It is termed after the named German physicist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. The freezing point of water is taken as a 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Number freezing point of the water is in Celsius scale 0 degrees Celsius. But Fahrenheit boiling freezing point of the water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point of Fahrenheit water. Fahrenheit 212 Fahrenheit. Thermometers with Fahrenheit scales are celebrated from the 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 Fahrenheit. And another one, Kelvin scale. Third one is Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is termed after the Lord Kelvin. It is the SI unit of measuring the temperature. The temperature is SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Written as the K, capital K. It also known as the absolute scale. It start from the absolute zero temperature. Start of the absolute zero temperature. Then relation between the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. The formula F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5. Then Kelvin, convert the Celsius to Kelvin. K is equal to 273.15 plus C. C means Celsius. This is a relation between the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. Then another one, tabular column, the temperatures of the substance, then Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and the Kelvin scale. How to measure the temperature? First one, temperature, another one, Celsius scale, Celsius scale C, Fahrenheit K, then Kelvin scale. Boiling point of first temperature, boiling point of water. Boiling point of water. Boiling point of water in Celsius scale 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale 212 Kelvin Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale 373.15. Another freezing point of water, boiling point of water. Second one, freezing point of water. Freezing point of water. Freezing point of water in Celsius scale 0 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit 32 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale 273.15. Another one is mean temperature of human body. Third one is mean temperature of human body. Mean temperature of human body 30 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius in Celsius scale, 98.6. Nowadays we doctors using our body measuring the temperature 98.6 Fahrenheit. Then 310.15 Kelvin. Another one is room temperature average. Fourth one is room temperature in average. Room temperature in average in Celsius scale 72 degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit scale 23 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale 296.15. This is the temperature for measuring the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Then next one is problem. How to convert the Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius. How to measure the one problem is there. The question is how much will the temperature of 68 Fahrenheit be in the Celsius and Kelvin? How to convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius and Kelvin? This is what the boiling point of water. Celsius scale 100 degree Celsius. Fahrenheit scale 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale 373.15 Kelvin. Then freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Fahrenheit 32 degree Fahrenheit. Then Kelvin scale 273.15. And mean temperature of the human body, our body temperature is in Celsius scale 37 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale 98.6 Fahrenheit. Then Kelvin scale 310.15 Kelvin. Room temperature in average in Celsius scale 72 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale 23 degree Celsius. In Kelvin scale 296.15 degree Kelvin. Then another one problem. How much will be temperature of 68 Fahrenheit be in the Celsius and Kelvin? Solve the problem. First question, how much will the temperature of 68 Fahrenheit be in Celsius and Kelvin? Question. Like given the data, temperature of Fahrenheit, temperature of Fahrenheit F is equal to 68 degree Fahrenheit. Then temperature in Celsius. Temperature in Celsius. Question mark. Then third one, temperature in Kelvin. Question mark. What's the formula? Formula is F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. In given the temperature of Fahrenheit, F is equal to 68 Fahrenheit. We substitute the formula. F is 68 degree Fahrenheit. F 68 minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. We subtract 68 minus 32. We get the 36. C is equal to 5 into 36 divided by 9. 20 degree Celsius. 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36. Appa 5 4s are 20 degree Celsius. Appa convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius. 68 degree Fahrenheit convert to another one is Kelvin. What is the formula for converting the Kelvin? Formula Kelvin means K is equal to C plus 273.15. C plus 273.15. What is the Celsius scale? 20 degrees. We find out that 20 degrees Celsius plus 273.15. We get the answer 293.15. By Kelvin 293.15 we get the answers. Then another questions. What temperature will its value be same the Celsius and Fahrenheit? Celsius எந்த value Fahrenheit and Celsius same இருக்கும். For example, F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. C by 5. Another step is C minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. C minus 32 into 5 is equal to C into 9.